Okay, guys, so NFP is starting in literally 10 minutes. My idea is that price is going to climb up and we're going to get a little drop for a buy maybe later on. Liquidity has been created above and beneath where price currently is. This is consolidation, but also accumulation. So I'm thinking that there's going to be a power 3 this morning for NFP where price pushes up to manipulate, and then we get the real actual trend, which is probably down. Can you pick a side? Absolutely. But you just have to know what you're doing and what your intentions are. So if you are looking to buy price up, you can maybe watch and see if NFP is going to push down to push up, right? You have to just decide what move is going to be your move. And as I stated, price is very consolidated. We're in between this high and this low, and we have not continued to break structure to the upside or downside. So really interesting to see what NFP does today. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, just to see where we are, I would say that we're in almost a discounted area based on this low that we have been able to close beneath just a little bit in this high. I would say that we're in the discounted area. So going up would make sense, right? So looking to see where I can get a narrowed down entry. And then I'm going to just go for it. So remember, we have a higher time frame area of interest, which is way up here. And then we have this area of interest right down here. This is that 15-minute OB and imbalance, right? So I probably will take a buy. We have about 9 minutes. I probably will take a buy. But first, if I take a buy, guys, I need to see price push down first. So if I can get this push down here, I will buy to this area of interest. So I'm gonna pause the camera and then we'll see. I'll get on maybe 1 minute, which is now it's 8:22 a.m. NFP for me is at 8:30 a.m. EST. So I'm gonna get on 1 to 2 minutes before just to see what progress we have made and which move I am looking for. Okay, so as you see, it's 8:26 a.m. We have 4 minutes for NFP. As you see, price is just climbing up, just watching it. What I'm not gonna do is chase price. I don't advise anyone to chase price. I'm not gonna set any limits. I'm just gonna market execute when the time is right. I'm not looking for a super precise entry. I am following my confirmations, but nothing like super precise. As I stated, if I'm going to buy up, I want to catch the buy from here, beneath where price is. And if I'm right up here. So as you can see, here's that 15-minute candle. It does end in about 2 minutes. Pretty simple. Another thing to note is on this 15-minute time frame, we have not closed beneath this low here, which leads me to believe that price may want to go higher. Okay, so now we're getting a little bit of a pullback here. And I want to see what the next 2 minutes. We have about 2 more minutes until NFP. So I want to see what that brings us. I do have my alert set. Hey guys, we have about 1 minute. And I am expecting price to push down. So what I want to do is I want to be super prepared. So I'm going to enter a 4 lot. Please. Bye. So I'm going to enter a 4 lot. Hold a little bit of drawdown. And we have about 1 minute for NFP. And guys, check it out. I'm about $5,000 up